Hello everyone, how to towards back with another new video, and in this video I'm going to tell you how to download and install Genesia AI virtual companion app. So this is the artificial intelligence app. If you want to make a friendship with AI, then this app is appropriate for you. So this app is recently launched. So how can you download this? If you use iPhone, then go to App Store. If you use Android, then go to Play Store. So I'm going to click on the Play Store app, and once you click here, then search here the name Genesia AI. Okay, and then go. So you can see this is Genesia AI virtual companion app. So it's just simply click on install, and it takes few time to install in your device. So okay friend, I hope this video was helpful for you. So today's no more, and thank you for watching.